All right, so for this one, we are going to write a linear equation in standard form. That's when there's just some number multiplied by x plus some number multiplied by y equals some number. So the key for this is that we are actually going to combine two equations. So this equation has an x, and this equation has a y. So we're going to combine those two equations and then write that new equation in standard form. So in order to combine these, what you want to do first is set them both equal to 0. So like for the yellow one here, I'm going to subtract 4 from both sides because I want this set equal to 0. So on the left side, I have 3x plus 7 minus 4. So that's 3x plus 3. And then over on the right, I'm going to subtract 10. So it's set equal to 0. So I need to subtract 10 on this side as well. 4 plus 3y minus 10 is negative 6 plus 3y. Okay. So now I have my two equations. If this equals 0, so 3x plus 3 equals 0, and this equals 0, then these must be equal to each other. That's our new equation. So I'm going to write 3x plus 3 equals negative 6 plus 3y. So we have one equation with x and y, so now we can start putting it into standard form. So you want to move your x's and y's over to the left side. My x is already over there, but that y I need to move over there as well. So I'm going to subtract 3y, because 3y minus 3y makes that go away. And on the left side, I need to subtract 3y as well. So I have 3x plus 3 minus 3y equals negative 6. Now I want to move all my constants over to the right side, over there with that negative 6. So let's subtract this 3. Subtract 3 from the left side because that'll make that go away. So we need to subtract 3 over here as well. So we end up with 3x minus 3y equals negative 9. So there we go. This is in standard form. There's one more thing you could do is if you're ever manipulating some equations to come up with this new equation, you could simplify it as you could simplify just a fraction. If you look at both sides of the equation and you see, oh, I can divide all of this by 3, then you could do that. So if we divide the whole thing by 3, what do we get? So think of this being divided by 3, gives me x. This divided by 3 gives me negative y. And this divided by 3 gives me negative 3. So this is our standard form linear equation in its most simplified form.